On April 14, some of the members of his family gave me the chance to see him while he's on palliative care. He was happy to see me and I gave him the sweetest smile. But behind his back, I cried. I cried so much. God gave him 8 more days for us to be together, and he tried to hang on till April 22 because it's our anniversary, our 27th anniversary. But his poor body could not handle it anymore. I prayed to God for comfort for him and me, and I even whispered to Haji, and I told him that okay lang ako, that I will be okay, and that I will eternally love him. And on April 21st, the day before we turned 27, God took him in his arms. When there is no more pain, but eternal happiness. Love, ang daya mo. Diba, sabi mo pa, na wala nang iba. At sa habang buhay, tayo'y magsasama. Nakamtan ko ang pagmamahal mo, Sinta. Sa may dagat na masyal at pagdilim, sa may baybay humimlay, at nag-iakap sabay sa pagsabog ng alon, sabay sa pag-ibon. Saksi ay liwanag ng buwan. Di ba sabi mo pa na wala nang iba, na ako ang una sa pagmamahal mo, Sinta. At ang buhay natin nawa'y nagbunga. manager, Miss Julie. Tita Jules, nagtago. For pushing me to do many things. And of course, may dalawang Edith po sa buhay ko na malapit sa puso ko. Yung isang Edith po, syempre si Mama, na umiiyak. Si Mama. Yung isa pong Edith Fider. My mom's Eve. 14, 15 pa lang ako, kilala na niya ako. I was with the Newman Schultz 5th generation. So, dalawang Edith. Napaka-special sa akin. Thank you so much for, thank you. Thank you so much for being here, everyone. Hindi ko man mabanggit kayo isa-isa, but we'll see you. Magkikita po ulit in our future shows. So, yun nga po sa June 14 at the Music Museum with my very, very special guest. Okay, ayoko na! Magpakasaya naman tayo. Pambihira.